Today we talk about how can you disable price alerts notifications on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. Then you come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on investing, you just click on it here. So when you just click here on investing, come to next step here, come here to price alerts, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean price alerts notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.